join the parade, let's sing and play. Animals marching down the lane, let's hear their sounds again and again. Here comes Lion, big and proud. He roars his voice so strong and loud. Roar, that's what he says. Lion leads the parade today. Next comes Elephant, huge and sweet, stomping with his heavy feet. With his trunk he loves to say, all the way. Friendly dog is on the go, wagging tail he says hello. Loud and clear, doggy sound is fun to hear. Little cat walks soft and slow, her tiny paws go tip and toe. She looks around and starts to say, meow, meow, through the parade. Cow joins in with gentle grace, a happy smile upon her face. She sings out loud for all to know, moo, moo, everywhere we go. Fluffy sheep jumps in with cheer, her cute little voice we love to hear. She sings along in for one way. Ba, ba, bright and gay. Roar and trumpet, wolf and meow. Moo and bow, let's sing it now. March together side by side in the animal sound parade. Thanks for joining, fresh so bright, learning sounds with pure delight. See you again